Hello everyone, this is my second program. In this program, we show the inheritance property or process of the Python program. Here, the class name people is a base class. Okay, and the student and teacher are the derived class. And this is a main program. Okay, like select. This is a main program and this is a menu driven program. Okay, menu driven program here have some features like add the student, add a teacher details, and show all details, search by email, and press 5 for exit. Here user can choose a some value like integer type of value and input by the help of the keyboard, and this value stored by the reference by this reference variable. If user press this is a switch case type of statement in Python, you can say it is a match. Instead of switch, it's a match. If the user want to choose one, case 1, then he take the input of the details of the student like name, age, email, marks. That's are the all the reference of the student. First input is a name, second is age, third is a email, and last one is a marks. Here stdio it is a reference variable and we initialize it by the constructor. The constructor have a 1 2 3 4 parameters: name, age, email, and marks. After that, here we call the add person method of the base class, and when the data is successfully inserted in the list, then this statement is shown in the console: student add successfully. Okay, if the user want to choose 2, then we have name, age, email, and subject for reference variable. This is the input function. Input function by default is a take a it's take some inputs from the keyboard and return the string type, and the return type is string. This is also same, but after that it is typecasting by the help of the int function. By default it is, then it is integer. Another is a email and subject. The return type of this is a string. Okay, t it is a reference variable, and we initialize it by the constructor teacher, and let's have a 4 parameters. First is name, age, email, and subject. Then help manager add person. This is the base class method. Help of this we can add the teacher details in the list. Hmm. After successfully added it, print this statement: teacher added successfully in the console. Hmm. If the user want to choose so all the details of the users, then he press case 3. Press the 3 of this method, this class method. huh, User can show all the data. Okay. If the user want to show particular person data, then he press the 4. Here have a one reference variable, that's name is email. And this is the input function. Okay, help of this function, user can take the input from the keyboard. And the by default is return type is string. Okay, person is a reference variable. And we initialize by the base class method. Let's have a one parameter, this called email. Here we check if the email is present in the list, then the show detail method is called and display it. Otherwise print no found, no data found. If the user want to terminate the program, then he press 5 and break it from the program. If user press any other option that are not belongs to this menu driven, then print the invalid choice. Okay. Close this. These are base class. The base class name is people. Base class have a one list, people list. This people list is a reference variable. It is initialized by a empty list. Okay. Def underscore underscore init underscore underscore. It is a constructor. Constructor have a self and name, age and email as a parameter. Here age is a integer type. Okay, and name and email a string type. That all the reference variable with the initialize by the first name is initialized by the name, second is age, and last one is the email. Okay, then we have a 1 2 3 methods. Okay, in the class we have a add person method. Add person method have a two parameters, self and person. What about the function of this method? Help of this method, we can add the person data in the list. What is this, a student or teacher? Both. At first first statement is check the if any email is already present in the list or not. If it is present in the list, then it pop up a show the message error, email is already exist. Percent email, it is a placeholder. Return false. If the data is not present in the list, then we append the data in the list. People equal to people dot list dot append and return it. Another method is show. Help of this function, we can show the all of the data that are present in the list. If not, if not, if the no any data is present in the list, then print empty list. Otherwise, the for loop present the take the one by one data from the list and print it by the help of show detail method. And another method, last method of the people class is a search by email. Let's have a one self and one email as a parameter. Okay. If the particular email here, the purpose of this method is if the particular email is present in the list or not. If it is present, then it is show it, return the person. Otherwise, none return. Okay. Now we close this. This is a student class. Also inherit by the people class here. So people class. This is the constructor of the student class that have a self, name, age, email and marks as a parameter, and this is a super function dot underscore underscore init dot underscore name, age and email. The help of this function, we can call the parent class constructor. Okay, call the parent class constructor, and here we can initialize the reference variable by the marks. The another is show details. The another method is name is a show details. The help of this method, we show the details of the student, whereas is name, age, email and marks, all the attributes of the student data. And this is another class, name is teacher. Is also inherit the people base class. This is the constructor of the teacher class that have a self, name, age, email and subject as a parameter. This is a super method. It is called the base class constructor, and we pass the name, age and email as a parameter, and self.subject is a reference variable, and we initialize by the subject. This is a string type kind of. And this is another method. This is name is a show detail method. The help of this method, we can print the data of the teacher. This is all about this program. Thank you. Good night.